Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Biology for All. In this video, I'm going to talk about the neural system and the neuron. The neural or the nervous system provides an organized network of connections for quick coordination. Coordination is a feature of all living organisms which helps them to detect and receive stimulus from the external or internal environment, provide an action that is a response to it. Coordination also occurs between different organs, thus allowing them to work together. Now, all this is maintained by specialized cells. So, the neural system is composed of specialized cells which are called neurons. The neurons show special structural features which help them perform the functions for helping the nervous system. They have a cell body, that is the cyton, and a long process that comes out from the cyton, which is the axon. There are many small processes that arise from the cytons. These processes help in detection and receiving the sensory stimulus from the external or internal environment and carries it to the cyton or the cell body where the information is processed. This processed information is then passed through the axon, where it passes through the axon terminals and moves to the adjacent neurons. This is what we call as response. Let us now have a look at the detailed structure of the neuron. In order to know how to draw the neuron, refer to my video on how to draw a neuron. So here I have completed the drawing. Let us now know the parts. So as I told before, there are two main parts here. The cell body, which is called as cyton, or it's also called perikaryon. It has one long process or projection, which is the axon. From the cell body, there are small processes coming out, which is called dendron. And these dendrons branch further to form dendrites. So these dendrites are the ones which receive information. The cyton also has the cytoplasm, which has granules present in it. These granules are called as Nissels granules. The nucleus is prominently seen and helps in processing information. The long process or the axon shows the presence of coverings on itself, and these coverings are made by cells which make up a particular type of insulated sheaths to it. So these are the Schwann cells, and the Schwann cells produce myelin sheath. Myelin sheath helps in insulating the axons. Now, in between this, there are gaps or spaces, and that is called as the node of Renvier. The axon further branches to form axon terminals, and the tip of the axon terminal shows a swollen part which is called as the synaptic bulb or the synaptic knob. This part contains neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that help in transmitting impulse from one neuron to the other.